In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Excel fan chart. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can build the chart quickly and understand what it's showing at the same time. A fan chart is a useful way to display a forecast when you want to show not just one expected outcome, but also a range of possible outcomes. It helps visualize uncertainty, especially as projections move further into the future. To get started, open your Excel file. Once you're in the workbook, take a moment to find the data you want to use for the chart. Before creating the chart, make sure your data is arranged properly. This part is important because the chart will only display correctly if the forecast information is structured clearly. Your data should include three key parts: a lower forecast bound, an expected or central forecast, and an upper forecast bound. In other words, you need the low estimate, the most likely estimate, and the high estimate for each point in time. Having these three series allows Excel to visualize the range around your forecast and create the fan effect. Once your data is ready, highlight the full data set you want to turn into the chart. Be sure to include all the relevant forecast columns so Excel can use the complete range. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. From there, find the option for Insert Line or Area Chart. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose either Area Chart or Stacked Area Chart. This is the chart type that will let Excel display the forecast range as layered shaded bands. As soon as you select that option, Excel will generate the fan chart. You'll see the central forecast displayed along with the upper and lower forecast ranges. The visual effect typically spreads outward as the chart moves forward in time, which is why it's called a fan chart. Those widening bands are especially helpful because they communicate that uncertainty often increases the further out your forecast goes. This makes the chart a great choice for presentations, reports, and forecasting dashboards where you want to show both expected performance and possible variation in a clean, visual way. And that's it. Once the chart appears, you've successfully created an Excel fan chart. From here, you can continue refining the look if needed, but the core setup is already complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.